Hai Galuh, apa kabar? Deddy is here in Universal Studio Orlando, Florida. I'll take you someday here to enjoy the scenery and the game. A lot of adventures that you can do. You can spend the whole week in Orlando. A lot of attractions. I'm sure you'll be very happy to stay here. Okay? Here's some pictures for you to share. Hello, how are you doing, Galuh? Did you enjoy to see this movie? You will come here someday. Alright? I wish you enjoyed these pictures.